gonna unbox this guy right here. I figured I'd wait because, you know, content. Let's see here. Whoa. This looks very interesting. You're kidding. Is this
I am
real?
not kidding.
That's real?
It is real.
Oh my God.
And I got my own copy of it too, which is
I want to show the cover.
from my version.
It's a record. Wow. Did you test it out? Does
It
play
plays.
Well? Oh my God.
I figured you've never had yourself on vinyl. Now you do.
I know, I haven't. That's incredible.
And it's from the scan of my unique cover from the original CD art.
Wow.
So I actually scanned it to get it on the album.
And then there's also, these are your albums.
They are my albums.
K through 12, which I was there for the
You were
recording
there.
of. And I might have even taken that picture.
You may have.
Sure. And this one, I think I'm actually on, right?
No.
Are you sure? Really?
I'm sure.
Oh. Yeah, and I was going to talk about this album actually today because it's the 10th birthday of that album because I released it on February 27th, 2014.